Welcome back to Study with me. I'll move with importance of marketing to customers. So customers are people who need the product. They are called as the king of the market. A marketer cannot survive in the market without satisfying a customer. So, what are the importance of marketing from the customer's point of view? So, first one is marketing, it creates utility. What is utility? It is the benefit. It is also called as what could be the how it is satisfying the customer's need. So marketing, it creates utility to the customers. So there are different types of uh, utility which marketing gives to a customer. It is based on the form, like any product, from the process of converting to the from the raw material to the finished product, it changes its shape. That is called as a form utility. Then marketing creates praise utility. Where do I want a product? If supposing I want a product um, at Burj Khalifa, if I'm not able to get it there, then there is no use of it. Okay, so it is the praise utility, time utility. If tomorrow is the birthday and I want a cake, and if I'm not able to get the cake delivered on that particular time, then it loses the essence. Then possession utility, after paying the bill, what is the next thing that you want to have? The possession of the product. Possession is the ownership. Okay, and then the information utility, like for example, you search over the internet some kind of videos related to marketing, but you're not getting the information. So that is called as information utility. You subscribe to Study with me because you get the information of marketing. Okay, so these are the different ways by which marketing creates the utility. It gives the satisfaction to the customer's point of view. The second one, it is based on number of choices. Today's marketing strategy is such that the customers should have a choice. It's not the historical concept of marketing where there is just one ownership. Okay, so now the choice availability is huge. Like for example, if you want to go and get one electronic product, what happens? You have a range of products that are available to you. Like you can get Nokia, you can get Apple, you can get Samsung, you can get Geo, HTC, Asus, what not. So this gives the customers the choice to pick what they want based on the cost that they are willing to pay for the product. Platform, the availability of marketing services are huge. How are they giving you the different platforms? Like both you have online as offline. Online, where you are being advertised based on the different social media platforms, maybe Facebook, maybe Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. And offline, these are the traditional ways by which a customer get services. They go to the shop or the outlet where they can get the product. So these are the different ways by which marketing is being given based on the customer's choice. Okay, so for example, here another example that we see is um, if you want a soap, there is Pears, there is Rexona, Dove. Okay, they all are offered by one company, HUL, which is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Okay, based on technology, we have got the different platforms that are available in the marketing field. Then importance of marketing to society. Now we are talking about how marketing is important in the society. We are social animal. Man is a social animal, and where do we live? We live in a society. And what is the society based on? The society is being divided based on the occupation. What is the source of employment? Employment, are the person doing jobs? Are they going for work? are they not going for work? What type of occupation are they doing? Are they in the laborers category? Are they in the managerial category? So based on these level of employment, the status of the mm, customer increases or decreases, because my purchasing power might increase if I'm a managing director. My purchasing power might become a little less if I'm just an employee. Okay, so that is being categorized here. So based on these sources of employment, how what do? They see like what kind of packaging has to be given. If it is if the customers are niche customers, if they are elite customers, the way of packaging that plays an important role. What type of consultancy and what are the different channels of distribution? The next one is welfare of customers and stakeholders. Who are these? As I told, the customer, he is the king of the market. So I have to market a product, or I can maximize my profit. If I'm talking from the point of view of the manufacturer or the marketer, profit maximization is the main motive. So welfare of customers and stakeholders, when I am doing any kind of product, I cannot damage my society. Sustainability is the talk of the day. So what is happening? There is corporate social responsibility, which means as a member of the market, as I'm the businessman, as I'm the marketer, what am I giving to the society? I might build up parks, I might build up some schools, some kind of free services. Okay, now for example, if you see the Hindustan Unilever Limited, it has called a behavior change program where washing hands with soap before mother touches a baby. This shows about hygiene. So such campaigns are being given. If you see Classmate, the ITC product where we get the notebooks, it tells that every 1 rupee you pay on that product, you help a child in learning process. So this is the marketing strategy where welfare to customers and stakeholders is being given importance. The next one is scope of marketing. What is scope? Scope is important. So marketing is being it is a wide area. What is being marketed? Goods are product. Services are intangible. Goods are tangible in nature, tangible where you can touch. Services are intangible, you cannot touch but you can feel, experience. We feel happy, isn't it, when say your father tells go and get a new mobile, updated technology, so it gives you happiness. So it is an experience. Ideas are being marketed. Events, what are events? Events are like public shows, charity shows, all of these are events. A property is being marketed. Like you see the real estate, it is like where they tell you can buy a property for 1C or 2C or whatever it is. So based on the properties, a fixed asset is being marketed. Organizations, we go and buy products based on the brand name of the organization. Like if the name is like Tata company, you will not tell they are going to cheat you. So the organization, so marketing has been done based on the organizations or institutions. And praises, like if you see you can see Amitabh Bachchan, he is marketing Madhya Pradesh. If you see Shah Rukh Khan, he is the brand ambassador of UAE. So praises are being marketed, and who do that marketing? People do. People are the face. Okay, like if you see Kareena Kapoor, then she is the face of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. So these are the different things that are being marketed. So what is goods? Goods is an tangible item. It is something that you can touch. See, these are the different products. Like if you see agricultural, construction, manufacturing, or activities, mining activities, all of these are goods. Services, they are intangible. You get services from banking sector, education, insurance, accounting, expertise, medical treatment, transportation, all of these are services. Experience, you go to a water park, you go to a theme park. What do you feel? You go to a movie theater, you feel happy. So that is an experience that has been marketed. The next one is people. Like if you see, Sachin Tendulkar is marketing some products. If you see film stars, they have been marketing some products. The next one is phrases, where cities experience Madhya Pradesh, where he does the Amitabh Bachchan he does the marketing of the product with the heart of incredible India. So different phrases are being marketed. The next one is organization. What do you do in organization? Organizations are praised, which gives you an image of the product quality. Like if you see Philips, it is an organization that gives you an idea like the product is going to be the best. Okay. The next one is property. Like if you see in UAE, the Danube properties are one good example. The MR properties are one example. So properties are the people who buy and sell the real estate products. They are mostly assets in nature. The next one is events. You have various stage shows, cricket World Cup series, musical concerts. All of these are marketing where customers go in order to experience some services. Informations are being marketed. Information is where like you get information about a particular product through newspapers, magazines, college portals, social media websites. All of these ideas are marketed. Like if I have an idea like how can the world be saved by sustainable products, so that is an idea. If it is working out, then yes, people get paid for good strategies that they give. The next one is marketing management philosophies. We are just coming to a very interesting topic, marketing management philosophies. There are different philosophies in the market based on which a marketer works. The first one is the production concept. This is a historical concept. What happens in production concept is the marketer is one, okay, and the buyers are many. So he is interested in producing in huge quantities. That is production concept. It is mass production, and little importance is being given or no importance is given to the needs or to the desires of the customers. Product concept, it talks about the quality of the product. Selling concept, it talks about the profit maximization. Marketing concept is where the different strategies like advertisement and all of those comes. Societal marketing concept, where the marketer or the business person works on the welfare of the society. Okay, that is called a societal marketing. And the other one is relationship concept, where I try to make a bond between my customers. So the first one is production concept. Production concept is affordability and availability of products. So I'm going to produce in mass. Okay, achieving mass production is the main thing in production concept. So the main strategy here is low cost and mass production. Okay, the products have been given distributed all over, and it is done in huge quantities or mass production. This was one of the historical concept when we didn't have any competitors in the market. The next one is product concept. Here the main aim is good product which will sell itself. So my aim will be like I am going to make a product that delivers all the needs of the customers. It is going to be innovative. It is going to have a wide range of innovative features. It will meet diverse customers. So, which means the product is better and it will sell itself. So that is the main thing. So profit maximization of the firm is the main aim in product concept. Like if you see Apple and the different Google brands, they are working on the quality of the product. The next one is the selling concept. Selling concept is on the view like every customer is having their own beliefs, and what the organizations do, they are going to provide different products. Like some might like Sprite, some might prefer Fef, Pepsi or Fanta or Coke. So there are different ranges that are available in the market, different products are available in the market, promotions are being done, and what they are telling, anything can be sold once you do the selling concept. You do a proper strategy of promoting the products, and then your products are being sold in the market. Here what are they doing? Selling concept, I am focusing on selling as many products as possible. Sale of products through aggressive selling. So they don't consider the needs or wants, but they think like once I start producing the product, then the customers will buy it. Then the marketing concept, your marketing is done through different sources, but the main aim here is customer satisfaction. This is the trend that today's marketing actually works. Customer satisfaction, customer is the center of the market. I produce a product after getting this feedback from my customer, like what is that they want to purchase. Like if you see the sky bags, it gives you a comfort. So customer satisfaction is the main motive. The next one is societal marketing. Societal marketing concept, here I as a marketer, I am going to give something good to my community. So what is that? If you see the McDonald's, they have different charity centers, orphanages for the people. And here, if you see Mama Earth product, it tells that it is going to plant trees. So it tells that I'm going to do something for the society from where I get the profit. It is all concerned with the sustainability things. The next one is relationship marketing. Here, what happens? The customers and the marketers, they create a bond between them. So what happens now? The strategies of the customers and the marketers will come hand in hand. Like if you see the Muslims, they are not going to buy a product like alcoholic thing. So what do? They tell like there is no alcohol even in the cough syrup sometimes. So that is relationship marketing, where you want to build a connection. If you see like in vegetarian products, they will show that symbol of green color thing. So that is relationship marketing. The final concept for today is difference between marketing and selling. We are going to see what is marketing concept and what is the selling concept. Marketing is creating value for the customers, thinking about customers uh, point of view, where they want to get goods and services and also get the profit. Selling concept, here the main motive is to increase the sales and customers are not being given importance. Marketing concept is satisfying the customers through goods and services. Selling concept is to satisfy the customers by increasing the sales. Selling is always going to increase the sales and the profit. Marketing is a wider concept, whereas selling concept is a narrow one. Emphasis is given to customers' needs in marketing concept, whereas uh, product and services are being emphasized in selling concept. Profit is being earned by satisfying the customers in the marketing concept, here by attracting sales. And it starts with actual and potential customer. Here it selling concept, it starts with existing customers. With this, we finish off this unit 1 of Introduction to Marketing. Happy and safe running. Study with me.